What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Sticker Bomb Moto here, and finally gave up on this rain here. Oh, that felt good. Get out there and get one done. I don't know, it still feels like it's drizzling a little bit here. I don't know where it's coming from. But yeah, man, as you can see, I got the gold visor. Had a brain fart there, yeah, because it is trickling, drizzling here a little bit. Just a little sprinkle. That's all it's been doing here, man. Like, but a little bit more than this. But yeah, we gotta take a ride over to the old beach side real quick. Go pick up my check. Look at this guy. Is my headlight on? Yeah. Go over to the jobby job and chasing them. Yeah, I haven't been on it actually because all this rain, man. I haven't been on the bike. Yeah, this is my first time out in a few days. Hopefully this rain, man, it's coming down a little bit now. So we'll see how long it holds off here. I'm not trying to mess up none of my, you know, I ain't got it watertight. I got a big hole drilled in the side where my mic goes in. So it's not too bad. It's just a little sprinkle right now. Ooh, I'm just hit my visor. So yeah, it's nice, man. Got the gold visor. I think it looks pretty cool. Aw, man. Do that real quick. I'm not sitting at the train tracks. Getting a little smoother with the old knees. Just about throttle control. You know, you always want to keep your foot over your rear brake, of course. People just sitting right on a curve like that, man. So yeah, I ain't got no topic like always, you know, I'm just out playing wheelie, working on my corners. There we go. Got that whole turn there. Copper right there too, shit. Hopefully you didn't see me. I'm getting lucky there. Nope, did not. Okay, cool beans and collard greens. Ha! I don't know if my camera's seeing it right there. Right beyond that yellow walking sign over there is a cop. Right after around that corner I dropped it. Wow. So, yeah baby. It's like, yeah, she ain't been out for a few days. Needed the runner. And yeah, man, she's running good. Just my electric start issue, which isn't that big of a deal. Really isn't that big of a deal because I got my good old Kickstarter. So yeah, man, just out practicing. Like I say, everywhere I'm commuting actually, but you got to get your practice in as you're commuting. So we'll see what we can get up over this bridge real quick. See if I can get a decent third gear sit down. No coppers, no coppers. Here at 6. Yeah, man, we getting them. Slowly but surely. I feel like I'm getting better brake and throttle control. It's just a matter of time, you know. So yeah, man. This is just my everyday commute. I figured I'd bring you along on a non-scheduled work day. But yeah. The rains are coming a little bit more over here on the beach side, which isn't cool. So, let's see if we can squeeze through here real quick. Getting caught in the rain, man, really sucks on a bike. And this time of year where I live, it rains every single day around. Well, it's been raining all freaking day. It's supposed to let up here by 3. It's supposed to be, you know, all passed over. But it looked like it was good from where I was. I guess I caught back up to it maybe. So, yeah, this is where she ends, man. I want to thank all y'all, man, for tuning in to another one of my videos, man. I want to thank all y'all for the love and support y'all have been showing me, man. We're at 259 subscribers, man. I can't believe it, man. So, let's just keep on pushing, guys, and let's get more subscribers. Let's share it, guys. Let's get it out there. So, yeah, man. Like always, man, till my next video, man, Sticker Bomb Moto out. Deuces!